Let's learn about WCAG 2.1 Success Criterion 2.2.5 Re-authenticating. This criterion requires that users are given enough time to re-authenticate before being automatically logged out of a website or web application. This means that website functionality should not log out the user without warning or without providing sufficient time to re-authenticate. To implement this success criterion in code, here are some examples of best practices. Provide sufficient warning, provide users with a clear warning before the session times out, and provide them with enough time to re-authenticate before being logged out. Allow users to control timing, provide users with the option to extend the session time, and allow them to control the timing and frequency of any notifications or warnings. Maintain state information, preserve user state information when the session times out, so that users can return to the same page and continue their activity without losing any data. Test for accessibility. Test your website for accessibility, including Success Criterion 2.2.5, using automated tools or by conducting user testing. Here's an example of how to provide sufficient warning to the user before logging them out. In this example, the code includes a timeout function that logs the user out after 60 seconds of inactivity. However, to meet Success Criterion 2.2.5, the code also includes a warning that the session is about to time out after 30 seconds of inactivity. The warning includes a clickable element that the user can use to extend the session and stay logged in. The user can also extend the session by performing any action that triggers the extend session function. This provides users with enough time to re-authenticate and prevent unexpected logouts, which helps to meet Success Criterion 2.2.5.